Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common wardrobe. Whoa, knee tears in jeans. Don't toss those beloved jeans just yet. I'm going to show you some easy ways to repair those knee tears like a pro. First up, let's talk about the supplies you'll need. You'll want a needle and thread, preferably in a color that matches your jeans. You'll also need some denim fabric scraps. These can be from old jeans you're not wearing anymore. Scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, and some pins will also come in handy. And, if you're feeling fancy, you can use an iron-on patch for a more seamless look. Now, let's get into the repair methods. For a basic mend, we're going to use the patch and sew method. Measure the tear, and cut a patch of denim fabric a little larger than the hole. Place the patch behind the tear, and pin it in place. Then, using your needle and thread, start sewing around the edges of the tear. Attaching the patch to the jeans. Use a close, secure stitch to ensure the patch stays put. You can also use a decorative stitch for a more personalized touch. Another option is the darning technique. This is great for smaller tears or holes. Start by weaving thread back and forth across the tear, creating a grid. Then, weave the thread in the opposite direction, over and under the first set of threads, to fill in the hole. This creates a strong, durable repair that blends in well with the denim. If you're dealing with a larger tear, or want a cleaner look, consider using an iron-on patch. Cut the patch to the size and shape you need, and place it behind the tear. Then, using an iron set to the appropriate heat for your fabric, press the patch onto the jeans, following the manufacturer's instructions. No matter which method you choose, take your time and be patient. Repairing jeans is a simple process, but it requires a bit of precision. And remember, these repairs don't have to be invisible. Embrace the visible mends as a sign of your jeans' history and your own creativity. So, there you have it, easy ways to repair knee tears in your jeans. With a little bit of effort, you can extend the life of your favorite jeans and save some money in the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful DIY tips. See you in the next video.